This question involves fraction. Let's read the question together and underline the keywords, circle the values, and box out the question. Alex, Ben, and Charles shared some stickers. We do not know how many stickers, so I'm just going to circle that value. Ben received 3 times as many stickers as Charles. The number of stickers Alex received was 3/5 of the total number of stickers. Alex received 120 more stickers than Charles. Part A. What fraction of the stickers did Charles have? Part B. How many stickers did the boys have altogether? Once we have circled the values, underline keywords, and box out the questions, then it's very clear to us what are the information that we have and what do we need to find. So let's answer part A first. How do we answer part A? I'm going to draw model. Why do I draw model? Because I see this important keyword here, 3 times. Ben received 3 times as many stickers as Charles. Therefore, I'm going to draw Ben having 3 units and Charles having 1 unit. Next, Alex received 3/5 of the total number of stickers. Look at this. If Alex received 3/5 of the number of total stickers, that means Ben and Charles receive 2/5 of the total stickers. However, if I look at my model, I don't have 2 units, I have 4 units. Therefore, I need to make the numerator to be 4. How do we do that? Multiply by 2 to the numerator and do the same to the denominator, and we get 4 out of 10. Which means, what fraction of the stickers did Alex receive? Alex would receive 3/5, has to be converted to out of 10 as well. And how do I get 10? Multiply 5 by 2. And do the same to the numerator, multiply by 2. So Alex would receive 6 units. We can draw model for Alex having 6 units. Part A, what fraction of the stickers did Charles have? It's very easy for us to see that Charles has 1 unit out of total 10 units. So part A, 1 divided by 10, that gives us 1 out of 10. Part B, how many stickers did the boys have altogether? There's one more information that we have not used, which is here. Alex received 120 more than Charles. Based on our model, it is easy for us to see that Alex received 5 more units than Charles, which means 5 units represent 120 stickers. I want to know altogether consists of 10 units, and that will be 2 multiplied by 120. That gives us 240 stickers in total. For this question that involves fractions, what I did was I drew the model. Why did I draw model? Because of these important keywords of 3 times. Next, I changed the fraction such that they have the same denominator, and then I can easily solve. As you can see here, the main bulk of thinking goes to the model drawing as well as converting our fractions. I hope you have learned something, and if you like this video, please share it so that more people can benefit from this, inshallah. Our 2025 class registration is open. Our classes are for PSLE students, Secondary 1, 2, and 3, as well as O-level students. To register for a free trial lesson, simply go to ymsedutech.com or link in bio. Inshallah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye!